just left Walker Cove and then we're going to Punchbowl Cove, which is part of the Misty Fjords National Monument. And this is called Granite Creek, I think. Waterfalls, so beautiful. We arrived in Punchbowl Cove in Misty Fjords National Monument and tied to the lone mooring ball beneath sheer granite cliffs. For the second fjord in a row, we've been lucky to claim the only one and have the entire fjord to ourselves. The landscape is unbelievable. Waterfalls spilled down the mountainsides as we made our way in, and, much like in Walker Cove, we were dwarfed by the presence of the mountains. It felt like we entered a sanctuary carved by giants, untouched by the outside world. This is a place that makes you want to lower your voice, as though speaking too loudly might wake the mountains from their long watch. Rainbow. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. That has got to be the coolest thing I've ever seen. Some Misty Fjords coffee in Misty Fjords. We took the dinghy on a 20 nautical mile mission to the back of the fjord to an area referred to by others as God's Pocket. Punchbowl Cove brings our time cruising in southeast Alaska to a conclusion. Even now, it's hard to find words that fully capture how meaningful this experience was for us. Thank you for being part of the journey, and we hope you'll join us next week as we cross into our first new country, Canada, and begin exploring beautiful British Columbia.